3, 2, 1. Ready.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have an activity. But before that, I have here a mystery word. Did you understand that? Did you understand our story? Okay, move backward. Okay, move backward. So, you're going to do is, I will read the questions, and in a count of 3, if you want to answer, just raise your flags. Okay, did you understand? Okay. Our question is all about the story that we read a while ago. Okay?
Okay na.
The first question is, if the 32 blueberry candies were divided equally, how many blueberry candies each friend get?
Ma'am.
Four. Okay? What color?
Four, ma'am.
Okay.
Pink.
Green. Green and green. Okay, 1 point for
Pink.
Okay. Just raise your flag. Don't say ma'am, okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the answer is 4 blueberry candies. Next questions. There were 48 lemon candies. Let me finish.
Okay, ma'am.
There were 48 lemon candies to share equally. How many lemon candies did each of friends end up with? Yes, Stephanie.
6, ma'am.
6? Okay. 6 lemon. Okay. What color is it?
Yellow.
But before that, what? John! Ikaw ba yung sagot kanina?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
get the letter inside the number 4. And put the letter on the missing letter in our mystery word. Yes.
6.
You also. Stephanie. Where's the... Good. Okay. Okay, what letter that you have? Right? Okay, next, Stephanie. No, follow the... Okay, very good. What letter do you have?
L, ma'am.
Okay, L. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. How many orange candies did each of the 8 friends get when the 64 orange candies were shared equally? Yes, you 8. 8, okay. Can you get the letter here in number 8 and put on the mystery word? What letter do you have?
I got letter I, ma'am.
Where's the tape? Here.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay, take your time. Okay, next question. Okay, 8 oranges. Okay, next question. If the 56 grape candies were divided among the 8 friends, how many grapes candies did each one receive? Yes, Red?
7.
7. Okay, can you get the number 7 and get the letter inside on it? What letter did you get? Okay, letter L.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Okay. How many strawberry candies did each of the 8 friends receive?
Ma'am.
Yes, green. Green. Green, very good. Get the letter. What letter?
Okay, letter E, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next question. Each of the the same number of chocolate candies. How many chocolate candies did each friend get? Yes, okay.
5 na.
5, okay. Get the letter on the number 5.
How about me?
There's no letter.
Oh no. Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Okay. So, next question. With 8 cherry candies to divide among 8 friends, how many cherry candies did each friend get?
No.
Yes, Elwood.
10 po.
10. Okay. Yeah, the letter.
Okay, na po. Okay. Yes. Next course na pa.
Oh, good.
Ulit pastor.
Sa tuloy ko yun, ma.
Ulit pastor.
Okay. Next question. The 72 lime candies were divided fairly among the 8 friends. How many cherry candies did each friend get? Red.
72, 9, ay, 8, 9. 9. Okay. What's all about the
Get the letter.
There's a letter here.
So your answer is wrong.
Wow!
Okay.
Oh, no.
19, there.
I'm sorry. Nalaman natin ang lagay si ma'am. Okay.
That's okay, ma'am.
This is number 9. Baliktad.
Number 16, ma'am. So you understand.
Oh, no.
Because we are people. We have to make some mistakes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. You make someone who is the winner. What color are you? Red. So, our winner is color red.
Your prize is we'll give it to you later.
Oh my goodness. I'm
Okay. Based on our what did you notice? Okay. Maayos na ba siya?
No.
Can you arrange it? Yes.
Excel. Maybe C. The letter L and the letter S. Visibility there. Proper. D, B, C, D, D, D.
Okay. Now, what word are you formed?
Divisibility
Rules. Now, today you will learn about divisibility rules. But before that, let's have our objectives. Here's our objectives. Everybody read our objectives.
Identify.
Wait a minute. Okay, read our objectives.
Identify the divisibility rules
Between 2 and 10. Perform long division correctly
to
to check if a number is divisible by the flashcard number, showing no remainder in the process, and give importance to identifying multiples by
collaborating
listing divisible numbers within time limits and across group rotations.
Okay. Now, what divisibility rules
of determining whether a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the division, usually by examining its digits.
Okay? Patrick, can you help me?
Oh, sure.
Please. Okay. Okay, it says that divisibility rules and a divisibility rule is a shorthand and useful way to determine whether a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the division, usually by examining its digits. So let's have divisible by 2. So what is divisibility by 2?
If the number
Okay,
If
is even,
that is even in 2, 4, 6, 8, or we say that the given number is divisible by 2.
so it says that if the number is given, that it ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, or we say that the given number is divisible by 2. So it says that, what's this? It says that when the numbers is end with
2, 4, 6,
4,
8.
6, it is divisible
By 2.
So can you give me an example of a number that has 2, 4, 6, 8 in ends? Yes, Joy.
42.
42. Yes, Giselle?
146.
146. So, if we truly know, if we really, let's, to know if this divisible by 2, let's divide it into 2.
2.
So, who answered 42? You?
Yes.
Can you divide 42 into 2? And let's see if there's no remainder. Okay, as you can see, there's no remainder. So the 42 is divisible by
2.
2. Next is number 146. Giselle, can you divide 146 into 2?
There.
Okay, as you can see, there's no remainder. So 146 is divisible by 2.
2.
So next, we have divisibility divisible by
3.
3. So everybody read.
If the sum of the digits given number is divisible by 3, we say that the number is divisible by 3.
So it says that if the sum of digits given number is divisible by 3, we say that the number Okay, 27. Now, if now to determine if it's divisible by 3, what we're going to do is to divide 27 by 3. Now, come here in front, Jivelin. Divide 27 by 3. Again, the rules is there's no remainder. Okay. As you can see, there's no remainder. Okay, very good. Okay, next, let's have divisibility by 4. Okay, everybody read.
If the number formed by the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, we say that the given number is divisible by 4.
Okay, wait. So it says that if the number formed by the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, we say that the given number is divisible
By 4.
4. Now, let's have an example. Let's have an example. So we have 164. So the last two digits is
64.
64. Now, number 64 is divisible by 4. Did you agree?
No.
Why?
Because the last two digits
Yes,
says
ma'am.
that. I think yes pala.
Okay, why, Julie?
Because if I divide 4 to 164, therefore the answer is not
40,
remaining.
41.
No, I don't think it's that these two number only.
This number.
Okay. Don't
Four.
Do you think this is divisible by 4?
4.
Okay. Can you divide it by 4? Julie?
This should be 40 times
14 times 4. 16. 17 times 4. Ay, pwede siya 24. 24.
Okay.
At 18.
6. Okay. Okay, when we divide 64 by 4, we get 16. So, 64 is divisible by
4.
4. Okay? Next, we have divisible by 5. Okay, everybody read.
If the number ends in 5 or 0,
0. We're saying that the given number is divisible by 5.
Okay, can you give an example of a number that ends in 5 or 0? Can you give an example of numbers that ends like
105.
105? Okay, another?
55.
55.
To 25.
Now, can you give an example of a number that ends in 0?
100.
100. Okay,
200.
That's not that. Those numbers are visible by 5 because it ends by 5 and 0. Now let's have visible by 6.
If the number is both divisible by 2 and 3, we say that the given number is divisible by 6.
Okay. It says that if the number is both divisible by 2 and 3, we say that the given number is divisible by 6. Now, let's look back again in divisible by 2 and 3. Now, when we say divisible by 2, it ends with 2, 4, 6, 8. And by 3,
8, 6, 9.
okay. Now, can you give me an example of the number that be divisible by 6?
36.
36. Okay, very good. 36. Another. 18. 18. 54. 54. Okay. Those numbers are divisible by 6 because it says that those numbers 6 that ends in 6, 8, 4 are divisible by 2. So that those number is divisible by 6. Okay, next. 8. Let's have divisible by 8. Okay, now everybody read divisible by 8.
If the number formed by the last
Last
three digits of the given number is divisible by 8, we say that the given number is divisible by 8.
Okay, now can you give me an example of a number that the last 3 digits is divisible by 8? When those 3 numbers, when we add those 3 numbers is divisible by 8. Yes, listen.
20 plus 10 plus
20 plus
8. 10 plus
8.
10 plus 8.
Okay, let's add 20 plus 10
8. 38.
plus 8.
8.
38. Now let's divide 38 in 8. Do you think that this 38 is divisible by 8?
No, ma'am.
Can you give another example?
Ma'am.
Yes, Joy.
8
8
plus 8
plus 8.
plus 8.
Okay.
20.
8 plus 8.
16.
Plus 8.
24.
Okay, let's divide 24 by
3.
3.
8. 3. Okay? There's no remainder. So, the number 24 is divisible by
8.
8. So, let's have divisible by 9.
Oh my god. It's too late. Okay.
Okay, divisible by 9. Everybody read?
If the sum of the digits of the number is divided by 9, we say that the given number is divisible by 9.
Okay, can you give me an example of it? The number that the last 3 digits when we add it is divisible by 9. Yes, give me
27, 36, and 72.
72. Okay, 27 plus 36.
63.
60? 63?
Yes,
63?
63.
63 plus 72.
135.
135.
135. So now let's divide 135 by 9. Did we come here in front?
Oh, it's not
Actually,
divisible. I
Is it
think.
divisible?
Is it? Do you think is it divisible?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, it's divisible.
Okay, there's no remainder. So that 135 is divisible by 9. So now let's have the last one. It's number 10.
Number 10, my favorite number.
The divisible Indivisible.